Today on Max Sandy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled smoked ham, egg, and cheese on rye sandwich. So let's get started. Okay, for the main ingredients to make our delicious grilled smoked ham, egg, and cheese on rye, we have 3 nice slices of New York style rye bread here. Yep, and they're nice and thick. And over here we have 4 slices of smoked ham. And back here we have 5 slices of American cheese. Yep. And over here we have 2 nice large eggs. And back here we have about 2 pats of butter. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started cooking, and we'll put some of this aside. Okay, let's get started cooking. Okay, let's set our burner to medium, and we'll go ahead and put a little oil in the pan. Okay, and we'll let our pan get hot. Okay, our skillet seems hot enough, so let's just go ahead and take our nice smoked ham, and we'll go ahead and put that in there. Yeah, and what I like to do, I like to, cook the ham a little bit, even though it's, already cooked, but I like to brown it up just slightly. So, let's see how we're doing. Pretty good? At least get it nice and hot, right? Okay, they're looking pretty good. Let's just go ahead and stack them up. And we'll put them to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and take one of our nice slices of rye bread here. Yep. And we're going to put that right in there just like this. And we're going to take a bowl, and we're going to make a divot in there. Just like this. Push down, make a nice divot. Okay, then we're going to take a couple eggs. And we're going to go ahead and cover that and let that cook just a little bit until our eggs firm up. Okay, let's check on our eggs. It's been about 2-3 minutes. Boy, they look good. Okay, let's go ahead and get started building our sandwich. Okay, we're going to take another piece of bread here, and we're going to go ahead and put some butter on there. Okay, and we'll take that and we'll put that right in there just like this. Then we're going to take a nice piece of American cheese and we're going to put that right on there just like that. And a piece of ham, another piece of American cheese, another piece of ham, okay, let's see how we're doing here. Okay, let's spin this around. Just like this. So we can assemble our sandwich better. And we'll go ahead and take our eggs here, right? And we'll put them right on top of there, just like that. And now we can get this in the middle. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put a little salt on our eggs. A little bit of pepper. And I like a little onion powder on there. And a little bit of smoked paprika. Okay. Now we're going to take another piece of cheese. Yep. Put that right on our eggs. Another piece of ham. Another piece of cheese. And we're going to take our last piece of ham, put that on top of there. And our last piece of cheese. That's 5 slices of cheese, 4 slices of ham, and 2 eggs. There you go. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our last piece of rye bread. And we're going to put some butter on that. Okay? And we're going to take that piece of bread and we're going to put it right on top of there. Just like that. Okay guys, we might need a big spatula for this one because that sandwich is really big. So let's just go ahead and get in there and we'll flip it over. Okay, let's see if we can get it back together. That's big. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, let's see if we can get under there and maybe flip it over. Beautiful. That's really beautiful. Okay, look at that sandwich. Okay, that's about done. Let's just go ahead and shut off our burner. And we'll go ahead and flip it back. See how we're doing on that side. Wow. Okay. Beautiful. Okay guys, that's done. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Okay, here we go. All right. Look at that sandwich. That is huge. It's another big one. You know, I always make things big. They start out small, but then they seem to get bigger. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a taste test of this because it smells really good. Okay, let's do that. We'll have a taste test. Well, here it is, guys. Look at that sandwich. Doesn't that look good? That's our delicious grilled smoked ham, egg, and cheese on rye. And it is a delicious looking sandwich. And it's loaded with flavor, I'll bet you it is. That's got 4 slices of smoked ham, 5 slices of American cheese, and all them good seasonings, and 2 eggs are in there. So that's good. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a taste. Let's cut that in half and we'll take a look. Okay, let's cut it right in half here. See how we're doing. Okay. Okay guys, that looks so good. Let me see if I can pick it up and show you. Oh yeah, look at that yolk. Can you see it? Look how that yolk is. It's just beautiful. Okay. Let's just go ahead and have a bite. Wow. The cheese in there is awesome. And that ham and these eggs, my gosh, is that tasty. If you like eggs, you know, you're going to love this sandwich. Beautiful. Boy, is that tasty. You're just going to love this. Just go ahead and make them this way because they're very, very tasty. That egg in there really is good. It's just soft and a little bit runny, which is awesome. Okay guys, you know what'll be good with this since we're having it for like a brunch? A nice hot cup of coffee. Doesn't that sound good? It sure does. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious grilled smoked ham, egg, and cheese on rye. That's what's for brunch today. That sounds good. Look at the cheese coming out of there. Can you see it? Look at that. Isn't that nice looking? And that's just plain delicious.